Gang, you already know what time it is. Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, people. Yo, y'all always say, yo, non-stop reactions, bro. Kendrick and Drake has been going crazy, bro. Kendrick and Drake has been going crazy. Kendrick dropped again, bro. You feel me? As you know, man, I just dropped the reaction to Family Matters and Drake's Drake Family Matters and Kendrick's damn, I just dropped the song too, bro. Kendrick's song now 616 in LA. Meet the Grahams, bro. G's on peace. Yeah, and Kendrick went crazy in Meet the Grahams, bro. And Drake Kendrick dropped again. Not like us, bro. You see me? I said, bro, Kendrick is going crazy, bro. This man is dropping bombs on Drake's head, bro. You see me? I said, gang. And we there, go check it out, bro, because it Meet the Grahams. All right. In Family Matters, Drake was talking his shit. People even get time to like really appreciate Family Matters, because this nigga dropped like Meet the Grahams like a couple hours after that. You know what I'm saying? And then the man drop again. Not like us. Drake didn't even get a chance to respond to Meet the Graham, and this nigga dropped not like us. Like, what the hell is going on in music, bro? Like, the man do the thing like that. I like it, bro. The clash are going like some dancehall clashes. You see what I'm saying, bro? Like, it's going crazy, but we gotta check it out. Not like us. I hear people going crazy. You see me saying, yo, Kendrick, like, people went crazy, say Kendrick did saying this one's a vibe, this one's a bop. And not only that, they say this is Drake's real house. And I'm hearing people saying that these pins on the house is basically like sex offenders pin, bro, which is crazy, bro. Like, I guess Kendrick really lean into this like old, you know, sexual deviant type of persona Drake. Bro, I gotta check. Let's see what's going on, cause Kendrick is not playing. Like, this nigga got the clip loaded, bro. You see me? I say, let's check what that do. Let's get it.
I see dead people. Aye, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak throw, man down, call her Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk.
Dog, why this shit got a vibe to it? Why this shit got a bounce to it? Mustard, bro. Why you get dog? I ain't gonna lie. I just got like an old school West Coast feel. Like California feel, bro. What the heck, bro? Let's get it.
Nigga, he a freak throw, man down, call her Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and they mama. How many options you really got?
I said, what niggas trying to see Compton, bro. Eh? Man, I say, how go on, man, the industry, bro. Jesus, peace. I try to style the whole industry, man. We got.
I mean, there's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body. I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching.
Bumbucklet. Man said, beat your ass and hide the Bible if. Yo, whoa. Yo, holy shit. Kendrick can't come to Kendrick came to make a kebab.
Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walk him down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him.
Sometimes you just gotta pop out and show niggas, nigga. Walk boogeyman. Oh, Jesus. This is kind of vibe. I ain't gonna lie.
Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walk him down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pole on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1.
No, man say, hey Drake. I say, I'm the boogeyman. I'm the one that hope to score with him, bro. Walking down, I can see the with him, bro. Man say, hey Drake, I heard you like him. They might have tried this strategy. Yo, come on. I ain't got a bob to it. Come on. Alright. Come on.
Any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs and party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baca got a weird case. Why is he around? Certified.
Jesus Christ, bro. Yes, Kendrick doing it, bro. I remember, I don't know what song. I was saying, yo, Kendrick need to get something with a vibe to it. You see me? And it came something with a vibe to it, bro. Can't even say shit now. Damn.
Lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop.
Jeez, I told you this nigga trying to turn the woman against Dre, bro. As he man say, yo, any woman no love with them better than their sister, you know. And certified love boy, certified. Jeez, peace. Oh goshish. Oh goshish.
That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
No, Drake. No, Drake. You gotta take Kendrick off this earth, bro. You have to take the man off of earth, brother. The man I try. No, dog. No. The man trying to destroy your reputation.
Trolling like a bitch, ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
This not right. This not right. You can't be telling lies on this man like this, Kendrick. This is not right. This is not right. This is messed up.
They not like us. 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 You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul.
Hey, man said, they disrespect Pop, man said that Oakland show. I think that's gonna be your last stop, bro. I don't think you gonna make it out that bitch. Holy.
I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches. Go. The audience.
Holy shit. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches. Damn. 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 Yo.
Not dumb. Shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep. I can go further, I promise. Ain't there some B-rest that's for bitching? You Malibu most wanted. Ain't no love boy, you ball boy. Fish Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedge.
Damn, nigga. This nigga bringing the West Coast vibes to y'all niggas, bro. Oh shit. Kendrick smart. Capitalizing that shit, taking the opportunity, knowing the whole world, listen to. Showcase where you come from, the type of music from where you come from, you know? Showcase the style of the West Coast. That's what I say, the style of Cali. That's what I say. That's what's up.
Be flipped over your boxes, over your foe. The other vaginal option.
Damn.
Nigga better straighten they pop.
Holy shit. I told him when I try to say use a you know, P. Well, I told him when I try to tell her, say, yo, use a, you know, you're part of the alphabet community. Damn. This thing is paint. Damn. All right.
Posture, got famous all up in contact. Might write this with a doctrine. Tell a pop star quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action. No accident, I'm hands on. He fuck around, get polished. Fucked on Wayne Grow, he was in jail. That's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologist.
I said fucked on Wayne Girl while he was in jail. Buck like some traitor shit, dog. And then tatted his face trying to apologize. And damn. That's slimy shit you be on, bro? Damn.
Round, get polished, fucked on Wayne Grow, he was in jail, that's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad D-Rose came home, y'all didn't deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena, that predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I
don't say your homeboy needs subpoena. That need to be watched. Yo, damn.
Lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the roll label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Yeah. Sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how me?
All eyes on me, I feel like pop. Put the wrong label on me, nigga, you gonna get dropped. Damn.
Any stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie, here 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a
the devil is a lie. Oh my gosh, mother page. Oh shit, and this shit he's going crazy.
Here 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a fresh pack of Zod. Ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside. Ay.
City back up, it's a must, we outside. The West Coast, I know the West Coast going crazy right now. Let me know if you're watching this from the West Coast, from Cali. Let me know if you're watching this shit from Cocktail, Oakland. Let me know where you're watching this shit from. I know y'all up right now. I know y'all happy. Yeah, KENDRICK representing for y'all.
They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Man, Mafia, they can't play with the Dan Mafia. See, we keep it real over here, so keep it G over here, so always, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, when they on the freaky thing and the crazy thing, them niggas they on, bro.
On a time, all of us was in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was using town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run to Atlanta when you need a...
This nigga, this truck with a bounce. Damn. I think you just gave this nigga a hit song, Drake. You probably just gave this nigga another #1, Drake. I ain't gonna give this nigga a club banger, that's crazy.
Check balance, let me break it down for you. This the real nigga challenge. You caught Future when you didn't see the club. Hey, what? Little baby help you get your lingo up. What? 21 get your first street cred. Thug make you feel like you a slime in your head. Hey, what? Quavo said you can be from North Side.
Damn, bro, these nigga calling all these nigga industry friends. Man, just, yeah, what's that? Don't make you feel like he's a slime in your head, brother.
But 2 Chainz say you good, but he lied. You run to Atlanta when you need a few dollars. No, you not a colleague, you a fucking colonizer.
Damn.
The family matter and the truth.
You not a colleague, he's a colonizer, brother. Jeez, I'm pissed.
For the matter, it was God's plan to show y'all the liar.
Man just break down this song, man said family matter. The truth of the matter was God's plan. To show you my light. Oh my gosh.
He a fan, he a fan, he a fan. He a fan, he a fan, he a freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey,
he's a fan, freaky ass. Ah! Ah!
Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Freaky ass nigga, he the 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he the 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, hey, hey.
This nigga go crazy. Kendrick, why you did it? Why you doing like that? Damn, Drake, you gotta come back crazy, boy.
Hey, hey, run for your life. Let me hear you say OV-ho. OV-ho. Say OV-ho. OV-ho. Then step this way, step that way. Then step this way, step that way. Are you
hoes? Jesus Christ. Jesus!
My friend, are we locked in? Then step this way, step that way. Then step this way, step that way.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. Jesus. Kendrick ain't come to play. Kendrick did not come to play. This nigga not playing with you, Drake. What did you do to make this nigga so mad? Yo, Nasa. This nigga going crazy. This nigga going crazy. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna lower you. This nigga going crazy, gang. This nigga going crazy, gang. Drake, you gotta shoot this nigga. Yep. This is the point when the war get physical now. Peace. We don't want the war. But this is the point when war start get physical and people start dead. Cause if you're gonna tell a lie upon me, dog. And then me think I can't even address. Cause me even try to address it and me so guilty. No man, at this point I gotta kill you. You got to die. You got to go. Sorry. You see me didn't want to be peaceful, but you start telling some lie now that just outlandish and out of this world. I can't even defend. I got to kill you now, my boy. You got to go. I gotta get you up out of here, man. I'm sorry. Drake, you gotta shoot this nigga, bro. I'm sorry, bro. You gotta physically hurt this nigga in some way, shape, or form right now. Cause nigga, you damn nigga. Kidnap a family member, something. Yeah, I want something off go on, bro. You can't catch them shut. Guys, nah, this nigga wilding out on your name, bro. This nigga trying to destroy your reputation. He's trying to destroy your brand. He's trying to destroy your circle that you're in. He's trying to make your kids not like you. He's trying to make your mom disown you. And he's trying to make your dad be disappointed in you. This man is nah. This is personal. This is personal. This is personal, because there ain't no way you want someone to say, yo, me could have a friendly beef. You see me I say? Say, me could have a, you know, exchange, you know, just clash for fun. And you trying to paint your mans as a predator, bro? That's crazy. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Shit is entertaining to watch, but when you think about this shit, it's just crazy, bro. Damn, Drake. Drake, you gotta kill this nigga, bro. You gotta come with some fire shit, and you gotta shoot this nigga one time, bro. Maybe in the leg or something. You know what I'm saying? We do not condone violence or anything over here. You know what I'm saying? We're just running jokes. You know what I'm saying? But damn, Kendrick going crazy. Kendrick going crazy, bro. And he's dropping back to back. He's not even giving Drake a chance to reply. Damn. Drake got about 3 songs he hasn't replied to yet, bro. But gang, remember no thing about the one in the comment section. Drop in comments. Drop in requests. Thoughts. All that good stuff. We're going to chop it in the comments. Yeah, Zimmy, we're going live later on, so look out for that, man. The war going crazy. Let me know what your thoughts. Who you think winning? Who dropped the best track? What's the favorite track? What's the best track out of the whole clash? Yeah, Zimmy, is Drake responding fast enough? Should Drake respond? Can he respond? How can he turn this shit around if he's losing? Yeah, Zimmy, I say how Kendrick can turn around if he's losing. Yeah, Zimmy, I say how Kendrick can stay on top if he's winning. Because, yo, Kendrick, you dropping like this, man. Damn, Drake, you just gotta drop an album of diss track with straight hit songs. You know what I mean? An album of diss tracks with straight hit songs for Kendrick, bro. But yeah, man, again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See y'all in the comment section. See y'all in live. You already know what time it is. Boy, Jambisco. Till next time. You already know what time it is, gang. What we do it over here. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.